Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I am glad you're here. Today we just got a real quick little non-knife Amazon unboxing that I thought was cool. Share it with you real quick. First, I just want to thank all the channel members. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And then I want to thank anybody that comes by and watches the content anytime. Thank you. You're always welcome here. And if you're ever so inclined, and if you'd hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon, it would really help the channel out, and it'll notify you when I release videos like this unboxing that'll release in a few minutes here. So my unboxing knife is also from Amazon. It's this little razor titanium folder. This is actually quite a box for what should be in here. All right. So guys, this is the MARKSMITH Sole Built Matte Black DLC Finish Retractable Sharpie. So I ship a lot of stuff. I also have to put tape over to keep from doxing myself when I do unboxings, and use a Sharpie quite a bit there. But a Sharpie is just something that in my knife game, I'm using it quite a bit, right? So when I saw this over on Lefty EDC's channel, that's pretty whack. There's a big black piece of foldy felt that goes in the box. I guess to keep it from beating around. These are Sole Built, are assembled in the USA from domestic and global components. Okay, so I'd heard that they were USA made. I guess they are. Again, I don't have a lot of experience with them, but as we get into it, maybe we'll find out more about it. But it's kind of a magnetic little box here. You'll scan instructions to buy refills. There's an easy way, I think Lefty showed on his live the other night, how to just buy a retractable Sharpie and cut it open. But that'll get you a free one there. And this is thank you for buying MARKSMITH and waiting patiently for its arrival. I hope you enjoy it. Please note the clip bolt assembly has about 1 millimeter of free travel when the MARKSMITH is retracted. This is intentional because the cartridge must be loose to ensure the cap is fully closed so the tip won't dry out. Replacing the cartridge, blah, 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 blah. Coupon code, all their social networks right there. Thank you, Daniel and the Sole Built team. So, let's see what we've got here. Looks like we've got a couple of refills that probably don't need to come out. And these are the guts, basically, of a retractable Sharpie. So my understanding is you can go on Amazon, you can buy the retractable plastic Sharpies that you like the color of, and then you can just simply cut the back off and pull these guys out, or you can order them already done from Sole Built. But this pen is available in 2 finishes. This titanium, and it's available in both black and in, this is the DLC black, and in titanium, raw titanium. So just to give you an idea, I walked off to grab my Sharpie, because it is a thicker barrel, right? But this is not going to be my everyday writing pen. This is going to be when I write, be up on my labels, when I write do something kind for someone, when I'm writing my weights and my dimensions on giveaways that I send out. So I buy Sharpies. This just struck me as really cool. So I think you just push the bolt down and slide it out. Close it up, pulls it in and retracts. That's black on my finger is actually from the Sharpie because that lid's very smutsy. So when I pull it back in, I'm not going to assume you guys watched the live stream the other night, but this was a really cool thing that Soul built, I think, or came up with for EDC guys like us that have a problem, that like to carry metally things, shiny things, sharp things, cool things. But this design has been around for quite a while with Sharpie markers. You know, this is the old school Sharpie with the replaceable cap. They've since come out with the retractable Sharpie. So when it pushes against the end of the barrel here, this little plastic clear thing there opens up, letting the pin come out. And then when you go to close the bolt, it retracts it and closes it up. In essence, putting the cap back on so it doesn't dry out. So anyways, long story short, I thought it was really cool. I was not aware of its existence. I wanted to try one out. I went out to Amazon, bought it with my money. I think it was Thursday night. It came in today, which is Saturday. I'll let you know what I think about it. But as of right now, I've kind of told you guys my use plan, what I do with my Sharpies. It is to ship packages, and it is to cover up my personally identification and other people's identification when I do unboxings. So I'm really glad to have it. I think it stokes me, and I don't know if you can hear that. Hear it rattling? That does not bother me, because if you read what Danielle and team said, please note the clip bolt assembly has about 1 millimeter of free travel when the MARKSMITH is retracted. So that's what that is. That's to let that little plastic Sharpie tube retract all the way back into the barrel so that the gate or the lid closes completely. So when I put it into place, there's absolutely no rattle. So that's just to give the insert room to fully close and retract, and I'm fine with that. So that is the Soul built from Stone Mountain, Georgia, which is one state over in Atlanta. Stoked about that. They also, like I said, have this in titanium. I will leave an Amazon affiliate link in this unboxing. You never need to click on my affiliate link. If you want to pick up this pen and you do use the affiliate link, there is a commission that's paid to me that goes to the channel that helps the channel. It doesn't cost you any more money, but by no means do you need to use that link to go get this pen. The reason I use affiliate links is A, to help channels, but most importantly, it's an easy place for me to find it. Takes me right to the product, and that's what, you know, maybe you guys will do. But I did buy this with my money, paid full price for it, have no relationship with Soul, MARKSMITH, see, I've already forgotten the name. Soul built, the Soul built MARKSMITH. Nice EDC Sharpie, keep it in your bug out bag. Keep it, I could see where you could use a couple of these, but for me, one will be great. I will kind of keep it with my EDC stuff around the crib, so that when I'm sending out packages and doing all that good stuff, I'll have it right here where I need it. Guys, thank you for watching the video. Thank you for spending a little time with me today. If you are, like I say, so inclined, please hit that subscribe button down below. It'll notify you of a lot of cool things that we do at the channel, from live streams to giveaways to uploads like this one. Unboxings that I don't know when they're going to come in. I try to upload them when they do. Guys, please, please, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Look out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. Help me place distance between myself and Lefty EDC, because his influence for some reason is strong with me. I don't know if it's something I did to him, but he shows stuff to me that I find cool, and we don't have the same jam, but he's personally responsible for me finding out about this company. And again, he did a thorough Thursday night kind of run through of it, and I was instantly sold. I thought it was really cool, and now that it's come in, I think I'm going to really like it. I'm going to order some retractable Sharpies so I can take them out even though I don't need refills right now because I've got 2 in there. And yeah, I want to say this was 99 bucks. It's in full titanium. You can also get it in raw titanium. Guys, I love you all. Look forward to seeing you. Hopefully, if you watch this on Saturday when I release it, come by my channel or Lefty's channel. We'll probably stream it on both. And check out Off the Edge on Saturday night, every other Saturday show. And hang out with us. It'll be a blast. I love you all. Peace.